Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to change your name servers in Wix in 2025. For that, first of all, you will have to simply open your web browser and search for wix.com. Then you need to provide your sign-in credentials and you just have to simply log in into your account. Once done, click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen and then select the option of account settings. Now in the account settings, you will see domains. So you need to simply click on the domains in order to access the domain settings. Now over here, if you already have added your domain to your Wix account, you will see your domain setting on this page where you just have to simply go to the DNS settings section and click on the name servers option. Then you need to choose the custom name servers in order to modify your DNS and enter the new name server provided by your hosting provider. Make sure that you input them correctly. Once you are done with the editing, you just have to simply click on the save option that would be in the top right hand corner of the screen in order to apply the changes, and this way you will be able to successfully change your name servers in Wix. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.